The structural auditor of the Birhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation has now been arrested for negligence, which led to the CST footover bridge collapse that left 6 people killed and injured 31 others. Now, the Mumbai police has arrested the owner of PD Desai Farm, which actually conducted the entire structural audit of the footover bridge and also gave a certificate of good to use with just minor repairs. The Chief Minister of Maharashtra had ordered a high-level probe into the incident, which occurred on the evening of the 14th, and the BMC submitted its preliminary report within 24 hours, which found that there were major lapses in that audit. My colleague Purva Chitnis joins us live from Mumbai. She's been tracking the story very closely. Good morning, Purva. Purva, this really highlights how come the audit actually gave ahead a fit-to-use certificate. What are the investigators saying regarding the negligence that actually led to deaths of so many people?
Yeah, well, good morning, Snigdha. In fact, last night, the Mumbai police has arrested this structural auditor of the firm, the owner of the structural audit firm, which gave a good-to-use certificate for the bridge which collapsed. In fact, what they are saying is earlier they had charged him under the death duty negligence, but now the charges are death, culpable homicide not amounting to murder. In fact, because the police is saying is that these were the people who knew what a wrong structural audit could cause, and they were in knowledge of what the engineering and how to conduct the structural audit. So them giving this good to use certificate is in fact amounting more than just a negligence. And in fact, if we remember on Thursday night when that bridge collapsed, and even the Chief Minister had said that within 24 hours the inquiry will be conducted, a high-level probe will be conducted, and in fact the FIR has also been was also lodged right after that incident took place. And yesterday, the first person to be arrested in this was the owner of the firm. And now the police is saying that they are conducting further inquiry into this, and they are also
Purva, I just want to interrupt you to get one detail from you. When was the last structural audit in this entire bridge actually done?
In fact, this particular bridge structural audit was done in August 2018, and that is when it was given a good to use certificate, and that is why everyone were like really enraged at how come the bridge just collapsed in just 7 months after that structural audit. And in fact, BMC's preliminary report has also found out that the structural audit contain major lapses, and they have also in fact they have gone ahead and suspended their engineers as well, and now a full-fledged departmental inquiry will also be conducted on those engineers. Nigdha?
Right. So essentially, Purva, even in August 2018 when the structural audit was done, there were lapses, so it wasn't fit for use, but yet given that go-ahead certificate.
Right, absolutely, and that is why the police is saying that now they are also further probing into this matter, because in fact the BMC's report also says that 296 bridges were audited during the last 1 year, and out of which 110 bridges were given a good to use certificate, and which CST was one of them. So now even the BMC is conducting its own probe, and the police is also conducting its separate independent inquiry into this.